Hey, this is Sean again, and this is another tutorial on how to make a basic PHP contact in your website. Okay, of course, once again, I'm using Wysiwyg, and that's pretty much a web builder. I'm using Web Builder 7, you know. Most people have Web Builder 9, 8. I still use 7. So it doesn't really matter what version you have for this tutorial. As you can see, I don't have anything done. This is just a basic tutorial on how to make a PHP contact. It's not hard, it's very simple, straight to the point. Okay, basically, you want to right click where my arrow is. You want to right click the page, and then you want to go to page properties, and then you want to set the file extension to PHP. Okay, that's simple. And then that's when you're going to go to form controls. Under form controls, there's a form wizard. You're going to click and drag that here, and it says, how do you want to create a new form? We're going to create a new form from form based on template, to make this very simple. Now, as you can see, there's business contact, comments, contact 1, contact 2, directory lookup, etc., etc. Now we're just going to do a basic contact, okay? It doesn't matter which one, they're all pretty much the same, but just a basic contact, okay? I'm going to try contact 2, okay? So you press next, and then as you can see, these are just the forms. And then you're going to press next again, and what we're going to do is, at this point, it says from action submit data to email address, and it says not recommended. It says use a built-in PHP from processors and data to emails. That is what you want to click. We're going to use PHP for this, okay? So you're going to click this, use built-in PHP form processor to send the data to email address. Okay. Now, at this point, you're going to you're going to type in on email address, your email address. So this is my email address, seang310 at yahoo.com. Now, what's going to happen is that when somebody comes to your website and go to your contact page and type in the information will go to your address, your email address. I really recommend that you have set up your own email address from like GoDaddy or one of those, and set it up to Microsoft Word. I'm sorry, not Microsoft Word. Microsoft Outlook. That way that your emails and everything will go there instead of a regular email address. And I use Microsoft Outlook primarily for my emails, business wise, not for anything else. As far as in personal, I use Yahoo. For business purposes, I use Microsoft Outlook. Okay. So basically, at this point, you want to pretty much go to next, and then finish. Now, as you can see, this is what it looks like. Okay. Now, remember, this is not exactly what you want your contact to look like. This is just a basic tutorial on how to make a basic contact page. the way you set it up, change color, could be whatever you want to change it up. That's what I said. I'm assuming that you at least understand how, Wysiwyg works. I'm pretty sure nobody understands completely how it works, but I'm pretty sure I'm assuming that people that's using Wysiwyg understands how the basic works. Okay? Okay. Now, basically, what we're gonna do is this is index. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna change this and rename to contact. Okay. Now we're gonna need a success page and an error page. Okay. Sometimes when people try to send their information to you, sometimes the internet connection might go off, or something might happen where there's an error, and you want people to know there's an error. And if you don't have an error page, they're going to be confused on if their stuff was sent or not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here, go to contact, right click, and I'm going to clone it. Okay, and then I'm going to do it again, clone another. So you should have page 1 and page 2. We're going to rename that. Okay, so right click on page 1, rename page to success. Okay, enter. And same for page 2, rename and name it error. Okay, now what we're going to do now is basically is very simple. Click on the contact, okay, under the site manager. Make sure it's on the contact. I'm going to go to text on the left. Okay. Double click on here, highlight, and up here you can change, bold. You can change the fonts, the bold, size. I'm going to change it to about size 20, and I'm going to just type in contact, and so I'm going to use this margin and move it this way, and then I'm going to arrange and center it, and center this too. Everything must be centered. Okay, arrange, center page, horizontal. Okay, now this is going to help a lot. Okay, also, now this is what you want to do next. You want to go to success. Okay, this is success page, and you want to go to text again, and you want to make sure that people know that their information was sent properly. So you're going to name this down here. I'm sorry, you're going to put your message has been sent, exclamation. Or you can say your information has been sent. Okay? Okay. This is the success page. This lets the person know that their information was successfully sent. So that's a page for that. Okay? Now you're going to go to error page, and this is for if the page did not, if the information did not send. Okay? So you want them to know that. So you're going to type sorry. It's too small. I need a big one. Okay, there we go. Sorry, there has been an error. Please So this is the regular contact page. Okay. I'm gonna use this copy, put this here. Sorry about that. Didn't mean to do that. Okay. I want to make sure that all these pages are lined up the same way. Wysiwyg is very complex. It's easy, but it's very complex. I mean, I know a lot of people are not going to probably like this tutorial because those who have no clue how to use Wysiwyg are not going to like it, but those who have an idea of Wysiwyg might understand the concept. And I am new at making tutorials, so please don't get upset. If you have any questions, I'll help you. Not everybody's going to like this video. Not everyone is not going to like this video. So I'm just trying to help people. That's all I'm trying to do. I'm not a teacher. I'm not, you know, the perfect person to teach people. Okay, so I'm just trying to line everything up and arrange it. Center page horizontal. I do that with everything. Okay. Okay. So now that I have everything intact, okay, now I can show you how to set everything up properly. Okay. Okay. So basically, now everything is there. Your page has to be PHP. Remember, page property, it has to be PHP because it works off PHP. Okay, people? Now, when you publish these pages into your folder, you're going to upload it into your server, into your host, FTP server. And it's not going to work if you preview it. For example, it's not going to work if you try to publish it in the folder now and see if it works. For example, I'm going to preview an entire website, and I'm going to show you what I mean. Okay. Now, as you can see, this is one of the pages here. Okay. Now, it's not going to work. This is just a preview. Okay. You're going to need to actually need to publish this. Okay. And then you're going to have to upload this information up to your FTP server, and it will start working on its own. Okay. Now, there's one thing that you have to finish before you actually publish it that I almost forgot. Okay, you guys remember this. You're gonna have to click on here. Okay, you're gonna go to the form properties. Now, as you can see, it says success page and error page. Okay, on the success page, you're gonna select, and you're gonna press success. Okay, and then on the error page, you're gonna use the error. Okay, and you're gonna have to do that on each one. Okay, contact, click form properties, success page, success, error page, error. Okay, so you're gonna keep doing that to each one. Okay, I did that one. Success page, success, error page, error. Okay, and that's pretty much it, you guys. I mean, that's it. You know, that's it. That's all you have to do. Just make sure that in form properties that the success, PHP, and error are there. Okay. So when you upload this to your FTP server, everything is going to work fine. So somebody's going to be able to come, type in their name or address, city, and it's going to send to that same email address that I, typed in. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I'm sorry. I mean, like I said, I'm not the best teacher here. I'm just trying to teach you guys how to do something very basic without making this very complicated. Like I said, if you have any questions, please just, inbox me, comment. I care less if you guys have more dislikes on this video or likes. I don't care. It lets me know that there's some things I need to keep learning on my own on how to teach people about web builder. So you're helping me out regardless. Okay. Okay, thank you, and I hope you guys have a great day.